Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going to draw a racing snail.
Oh, racing snail? Whoa, okay. That's going to be very fast. A fast racing snail. Are y'all ready? Alright, so what you need is your marker,
Some
your
paper
paper,
and color markers.
and color markers. Okay, now let's get going. Remember, this is a speedy video because it's a racing snail, right?
Yep.
Yep. Alright, let's do it. Alrighty, now that we got our paper and our markers, we're going to twist our paper this way. Alright, now, to get the racing snail going, what we need to do, first of all, we're going to draw a line that goes like this. You ready? From like the middle of the paper, we're going to go like this, and then we're going to go down, and then like this, and then we're going to stop here. It doesn't have to be perfect like that, but that's what you kind of want, right?
Yep.
Alright, got it? There you go. Now, right here, we're going to draw a little lip like that, and then kind of like a circle. There you go. All right. Then right here, we're going to draw a little antenna. And then right here, another little antenna. There you go. And then we're going to draw racing goggles. So you want to draw a line from the top like that. Yep. And then he's going to have these glasses on like that. Okay. It's like glasses. See that? All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to color the glasses because it's a racing snail.
Daddy, I'm going to make the glasses even more cooler.
Okay, do it. Yeah, there you go. All right, perfect. Do whatever you have to do. Okay.
These glasses will be very cool.
All right, and then now he's gonna have right here, from here. Let's see right here. Go like this. Kind of like he's racing hard, and he's grinding his teeth like this. Right? Because you're going so fast. All right.
I'm gonna make a smile.
Yep. Alrighty, you see that? Now, are you ready for the hard part? Alright, since this part right here, he's a racing snail. You're going to go like this, and you're going to stop right here. Just a little. Okay, now, from here, we're going to make a shell. But the shell's kind of slanted because he's going so fast, it's going to go like that. Wow. Alright? There you go. All right, now you're going to take this, the little tail, and then you're going to connect it to that. Boop, okay, we're going to connect it. Right there, connect it. There you go. No, there you go. Or you could have connected it right here, baby. Boop, just like that. It's okay. Now that we got that snail from here, look at the spacing. From here, we're going to go in like that. Whoa, just like that. Alrighty, right there. You got it. And then, now we're going to go like this. And then we're going to cut this out. And then we're going to connect it right here. There you go. And connect it to the back. And now we got a shell. But to make it look like he's going super fast. You ready? We're going to draw some fire like this. Take your time. See that? There you go. Whoa, yep. And then to make sure that everybody knows he's going fast, we're going to draw those little lines right here like this. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. And now he's going fast. See that? Little lines. Because that means that he's going so fast that nobody can keep up with him. Look at that. All right? Yeah, don't be scared. Yeah, little lines. Just like that. And then right here, we're going to draw the bottom of the racing snail like that, okay? There you go. And he's going so fast. And it's a racing snail. All right, now it's time to color. So our snail, because snails are kind of grayish brown.
Wait,
we're gonna
I need to do a racing track.
A racing track?
Yeah. for the finish line.
Oh, for the finish line. You're correct. Okay, so I'm gonna do mine right here. Yep, like this, kind of slant it. Because he just finished first place. That's how you do it. Now, what you could do is create another line right here. See that? And then make another line here. And then another line here. And then all you gotta do is start crossing the lines just like that. You see that? Okay. And then what you do is you're gonna paint one square black. See that? Okay. And then another square white. Leave it alone. You don't need to paint it. It just needs to be like that. And then that represents the checkered. So Kami had a great idea about doing the checkers.
And I'm gonna do a trophy.
Oh, you're gonna do a trophy? Oh my gosh. Okay, you could do a trophy too.
For first place winner.
For the first place winner?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you are correct. All right, so let's do a trophy. The way you do a trophy.
I'm gonna do it like that.
Yep, I'm gonna do it like this. It's just a little cup, just like that. And then you can make your own little design for the cup. And then circle, and then you can create a base. Just like that.
I'm gonna color in the trophy and the BK7.
In the BK7?
Yeah.
Which is a BK7?
This yellow.
Oh, that yellow, like a gold yellow?
Yeah.
And then what do we do? First place?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Oh my gosh, first place. Yay. All right, so that's first place. So the BK yellow, where's the BK yellow? Do I have one? Yes, I do. So I'm going to do this.
I'm going to do 171 for this shell.
171, you're going to do a green shell? Oh, that's going to be nice. Okay. So I'm going to do a green shell too. Which one was that one? 171?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do the 171.
Because he's extremely fast.
He's extremely fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
He has fire on his belly.
Well, the fire we're going to do in yellow, red, orange, okay? When we do the fire, the flames, right?
Yeah. That's going to be super cool. It might look like realistic fire.
Yep, it sure is. Because this is a racing snail, right?
Yeah.
How fast is he going?
He's going like this.
Yep, super fast, right?
Yeah. Very fast for this snail. Because sometimes sometimes one of them moves slow.
All right, now I'm going to do a green right here for my outline, like my shadow. See?
I'm going to do like this green.
For your shadow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even darker.
And then if you want to make it look cooler, you could even do green spots on him. That way you know that he was a racing snail. And then if you want to make it look even better, you take a darker green like this one. You see this? And then you could also create lines with the darker green. That way you know he's going really fast. You see that? It's going so fast. It's like, wow. You see that? And you could use a fine tip for that or the big tip. But all of this, he's going so fast. See that? And then you make little lines like that, and it makes it look like he's going really fast. You see that? There you go. And that way it's zooming by you. Oh my gosh. Okay, this part we're going to do in a gray. I was going to use the CG5, which is like a very light gray, to do the skin. See that? So that way he's not so dark. Okay.
Do you know what? I'm going to do the skin on the snail in 49.
What's 49? The yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was going to do the gray here.
I'm going to do this yellow in its whole body.
Okay, that's good, baby. Do it.
That way it will look more lighter, not darker.
Okay. So then I was going to do that gray there. And then I need a lighter gray for the bottom of the skin right here. Oh, that's darker. Where's my lighter gray? Oh, no. Is that the lighter gray? All right, let's try that one. Oh, yep, that's the one. That's the one I needed. And then that way it looks like the bottom.
Okay, now I'm going to do the fire in these colors.
Oh, we need yellow for basically, okay,
Now
listen.
I'm going to do in these 4 colors.
So first you want to do it all yellow, okay? Oh, let's use those. Okay, first we're going to use the BK7, which is the yellow, more yellow color.
Daddy, I'm going to do 4 colors.
Yeah.
Like these 2 reds of 14 and 10.
Okay. I like it.
That would be super cool.
Yep. So do the fire. We're gonna do the fire real quick. See that? Oh yeah, check it out. Okay, very nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then here's the fire. Okay.
Then I'm on to move on to orange.
Orange, yep. Right now, I'm gonna put my orange right here at the tip. Or right here, you see this? Like this. Whoa, look at that. Oh yeah, look. It's awesome. Right?
Yeah.
And this is the fire. Oh, the racing snail's got fire because he's going so fast. Oh my gosh, look at that.
I'm doing this red orange.
The red orange? Okay, I'm going to do this one too. And then I'm going to do those here. All right, there you go. Look. Oh yeah. It's awesome. Yeah, look. It's a racing snail. Now what you want to do? Huh?
I'm doing the red.
The red?
Yes, the last color.
Okay, do it. And then after you do that, we're going to have to do the smoke. Because he's going so fast and so much fire is coming out of him, he's smoking.
And he's making every one of the snails cough.
Ready? Look, this is the smoke. Boop, like that. See that?
I'm going to use this darker gray.
Do it. Just do the outline first, like that. You see? And that way you know that that's the smoke.
Look, this is even darker.
Yep. So do the smoke, and then to do the inside of the smoke, you could do this gray right here. This one.
Sure.
And that way it's not so dark. Okay? Look, and then we have another gray right there. Look, give me that blue gray. This one right here. That one. That one right there. Okay, that one. Let's do that one. See this one? Let's see how this one looks. Oh yeah, I'll do this one. Oh yeah, look at that. That's awesome. Okay, this is a very fast smoking snail. Holy moly, look at that. He's going so fast. Yep. What do you think, Ami? Is he a fast snail?
Yeah.
All right. All right, I think we're done.
Oh,
wait.
Don't forget the tongue.
The tongue. Oh, okay, yes. I don't have a tongue on mine. Oh, wait, let me use this lighter color so I can do the inside of the clouds, of the smoke cloud. All right, what do you think? You think we're done? I think it looks pretty good, huh? What do you think?
Looks pretty cool. I love it.
All right, everybody, so we finished our racing snail, and the racing snail is going so fast, he's going to go. That's it. Yep. All right, make sure to hit the like and
Notification bell.
if you like the video, and get ready to watch our next video. We're going to do a couple more Easter videos, like the Easter egg basket, and I think our next video we're going to do a chick breaking out of an egg, right?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what we need to do. We need to do a cute little chick breaking out of an egg. All right, don't miss that video. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe and
Hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell.
Awesome.
Bye-bye.